Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a network server. First, select your server hardware, considering factors like processing power and storage capacity for your specific needs. Next, install a robust operating system, such as a Linux distribution or Windows server, which forms the foundation. Ensure your server has a stable power supply and a reliable network connection. Finally, complete all initial system updates and driver installations to prepare for configuration. Now, install the core server software required for your services, such as a web server like Apache or Nginx, or a database management system. Carefully configure your network settings, assigning static IP addresses and setting up DNS resolution. Establish secure user accounts with appropriate permissions. Crucially, implement firewall rules to protect your server by managing network traffic effectively. Security is paramount. Harden your server by disabling any unnecessary services and closing unused ports to minimize attack surfaces. Make sure to regularly apply security patches and update all software components. Thoroughly test all server functions and services to ensure they operate as expected under various conditions. Also, implement a robust backup strategy to protect your data against loss. For ongoing operation, continuously monitor your server's performance and resource utilization to identify potential bottlenecks. Regularly review system logs for any errors or security events that require attention. Plan for future scalability, considering how you will expand resources as your needs grow. Finally, meticulously document all configurations and operational procedures for easy reference and troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.